My name is Dr. Felix Boullay, Head of the Occupational Health Department at Everllence. Together with my team of 9, we care for the physical and mental health of our colleagues across Augsburg, Deckendorf and Ravensburg. We are a diverse team with one shared mindset, caring, creative and straightforward. Whether on a regular team meeting, sometimes with cake, or our weekly running training of the so-called Health Angels in preparation for the company run, we enjoy working together. The question that we love to ask is, how can we help? For us, every day is different. We handle checkups, respond to emergencies, treat injuries in our on-site ambulance, and provide individual health consultation. Other aspects of our daily work are target-focused workshops, coachings, and on-site inspections. To be efficient in this regard, we work closely together with other departments, managers, and the Works Council. Our activities in the field of occupational health management cover everything from mental health to ergonomics and hazardous substances. Our current focus lies on the health of shift workers and the annual motto of empowering self-care. In 2024, our project on women's health in heavy industry received the HR Excellence Award.
My name is Dr. Felix Boullay, Head of the Occupational Health Department at Everllence. We are moving big things to zero.